Hi, hello, welcome to Eagle Health. The procedure for taking fat and its benefits in Veeramachani Ramakrishna diet program. Fats. Coconut oil made directly from Ganuga or virgin coconut oil, homemade ghee or company brand, extra virgin olive oil, cream on curd, homemade butter, unsalted butter packets of companies like Amul or Vijaya. You can also use any of the fats given above. Preferably, coconut oil is the better choice as it contains lauric acid, capric acid and caprylic acid, which are very helpful for weight loss. Coconut oil is the only source for lauric acid after mother's milk, which contains MCTs. Please do not take fat of 70 to 100 grams at once or twice in a day in the beginning of the program. Please try to take fats in little servings and not consume the whole fat in a single day. For example, if you are taking an amount of 80 grams of fat, you take it in parts of 20 grams 4 times each. In this case, the chances of suffering from motions and vomitings and also the energy levels of your body will be maintained evenly throughout the day. It's better to take fat either with green tea, veg soup, non-veg soup, lukewarm water, black tea, black coffee or bulletproof coffee. Except with bulletproof coffee, you can add lemon to remaining to have the fat easily. You can take 2 or 3 fats in a day instead of taking single fat. In such a way, the coconut oil in the morning, ghee in the afternoon, olive oil or butter in the evening, so on and so forth. You can continue the diet program whichever fat you feel comfortable with. Rashes. If you observe any rashes or allergical symptoms on your skin, don't be anxious, don't get panic. It's common to get a rash in most of the people who are following this diet. It's a temporary phenomenon. The skin rash subsides after some period of time without any medication. But there are some people who have a tendency to get immediate skin allergy after taking fat and non-veg. Those people have to take certain precautions while selecting the fat intake by considering the history of their fat intolerance previously. General measures have to be taken by everyone when they have severe skin rash. And these are as follows. Apply coconut oil or olive oil externally. Increase the intake of lemon and water. Avoid or decrease the intake of non-veg and protein. Increase veg soup and low-carb vegetables. Reduce the fat intake to some extent until the symptoms are vanished. If you are suffering from these symptoms repeatedly, you can use the following homeopathic medicine in dilution form. Mix 3 drops of pulsatilla 30, cyclamen 30 in 30 ml of water and take 3 times daily for a week. This medicine turns your body to digest the fat accordingly. In allopathic medicine, you can use Ibacil 10 mg once a day for 5 days. Even after all these dietary precautions and medications, if the problem still persists, then visit a dermatologist and take a course of treatment prescribed by him or her.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.